Welcome to our channel. If you want to activate your Bank of America virtual card for secure online shopping, follow these step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Open your web browser and go to the Bank of America website at bankofamerica.com or launch the Bank of America mobile app. Step 2. Log into your account using your online banking username and password. Step 3. Navigate to the Account Services or Card Management section from the main menu. Step 4. Look for the option labeled Shop Safe or Virtual Card and click on it. Step 5. Follow the prompts to create a new virtual card number. The system will generate a unique card number, expiration date, and CVV code. Step 6. You can set spending limits and expiration dates for your virtual card to add an extra layer of security. Step 7. Save your virtual card details in a secure location or password manager for use during online purchases. Step 8. When shopping online, enter your Bank of America virtual card information at checkout just as you would with a physical card. Complete your purchase, and the charges will appear on your Bank of America account. Your virtual card is now activated and ready for safe online transactions. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.